Hey, what's up guys? Rev here. So today I was back at it again, scanning across the home of the homunculi, twitter.com. I was like Christopher Columbus, searching all kinds of strange and distant places, looking for something that will justify the time I was wasting scrolling through my timeline. Now I have to say, ladies and gentlemen, I came looking for dopamine, but ended up finding gold. Today I found something incredible, a powerful discovery and message that I will fully endorse. Who does it come from this time, you ask? From none other than Eric Trump, whose Otosan is, of course, that guy from the Donald Trump manga. Now, this isn't meant to be a political discussion. It doesn't matter if you like the Trump family or not, but there is something I think we should all support. I'm not one for conspiracies, but I believe there's some merit to this one. I believe that the Trump family is trying to indoctrinate anime upon the American public. I know that was so shocking that it nearly knocked the tinfoil hat right off of your head, but look at the evidence. Trump constantly retweeting people with anime AVIs, trying to make his own anime, and hell, even being seen publicly with anime girls. And it appears that his own flesh and cum, Eric Trump, is following in his father's footsteps. So there's another conspiracy going around that Google is manipulating search results to promote certain kinds of agenda. His proof is that when you search the word mob on Google, you will get different results than if you search on Bing or Yahoo. Which, by the way, if you're using Bing or Yahoo, you need to be institutionalized immediately because there's something seriously wrong with you. Using those options is like jerking off to Playboy magazines instead of using the internet. Like, what are you doing? But anyway, when Eric searched mob on the other search engines, he got exactly what you would expect. Groups of people likely waiting in line to trample small children on Black Friday to save 5% on a new vacuum cleaner. But when he searched mob on Google, he discovered something shocking. Mob Psycho 100. He did it. Eric Trump has exposed Google and the left-wing, commie, satanic, fucking lizard people back plan to brainwash people into watching Mob Psycho 100. Now, some very correct people may think that this was a brain-dead and embarrassing thing to tweet, but I'm an optimist, and I will say that this was another clever nod by the Trump family towards anime. So you're probably asking yourself, what was the moral of this story? Watch Mob Psycho 100. See you guys next time.